Hello, my name is Travis with KentApartments.com, and today we are in a College Towers 2-bed, 2-bath apartment. So we're going to go through the measurements and all the features of this wonderful apartment. Starting off in our foyer, this foyer is 9 feet wide by 11 feet long. Let's go check out that living room. Welcome to the living room of this 2-bed, 2-bath. This living room is 9 feet wide by 17 feet long. You also can see this gorgeous window that lets in tons of natural lighting. Did you know that College Towers apartments come unfurnished, but you can also optionally furnish them? Okay, let's go check out the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. The kitchen is 7 feet wide by 11 feet long. You can see that we include all your major appliances, so you do get a dishwasher that's standard in every unit. You get a oven and a refrigerator. This also has a lovely little eating kitchen. Let's move on to the next room, which is the bathroom. Welcome to the bathroom. This bathroom is 5 feet wide by 7 feet long. You can see that it is a traditional 3-piece bath. It has a bathtub, toilet, and vanity, and there's also a ton of storage here. Let's move on to that bedroom. Welcome to the bedroom. This bedroom is 11 feet wide by 12 feet long. And again, this unit is unfurnished. However, you do have the option to furnish through Cord Furniture. Ask your leasing consultant for more details. And welcome to the second bedroom of the 2-2. So here we have a very large room. We have a lovely closet and a bathroom that's all private and secluded. So this is really a great deal for an apartment like this. Let's move on to the bathroom that's included in this master bedroom. Welcome to the second bathroom of the 2-2. So this bathroom is 7 feet long by 5 feet wide and includes all the same features of the first bathroom. So you do get the soaking tub, you get the toilet, as well as a vanity. And this is the standard vanity. The other bathroom has the upgraded vanity. So there you go. We wanted to thank you for taking time out of your day for checking out our 2-bed, 2-bath apartment here at College Towers Apartments. You can apply online at collegetowers.com and check out a whole bunch of information that we might have left out of this video. You can also chat with a live representative. Thanks again and have a wonderful day.